You are Sing or?
No, no sing.
No Sing.
No, East German.
Oh, East Germany. Yes. Yes. Yes, this is what I want. To the right. To the left. To the left. Figure out place.
My back.
Yes, your back here. Here, the sound.
Yeah.
Until here. This is what you want. Yes. Okay, try that again. Up. Again.
Yes.
Stand up for one.
Same time.
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah. All right. Just to look at you.
One more time. You hear the sound?
Yeah. One more time. Yeah.
Wow, what are you doing there? You take it more? Hey, good. Hey, why are you so stupid? I want you stand. I'm not that smart. You see, I said that a bit smart. Yes. Now I'm smart. I know how to do it.
Good morning.
Okay, because of too long, we use a different technique for you. So slip down a little bit, yes, correct. So you lock like this. Just relax there.
How do you feel? Oh, awesome.
Brand new.
Clack. Hello.
I'm Chris Leong. Today I will teach you about the patient got a frozen shoulder or shoulder dislocation after the recovery. What exercise should you do? Okay, especially frozen shoulder, when recovered, if it's more than 90 degrees you can up, or now that 90 degrees you can up, I will teach you some exercise to strengthen neck. The first thing, I want you two hands together. Let's say the injury on your right hand, I want using your left hand up like this. Wow, painful, it's okay. You do how many times? 1, 2, like this up. Right after 5 times you feel better, I want you to lift up. Wow, painful, it's okay. Slowly in, yes, painful, it's okay. 3, okay, when this one 5 times done already, I want you to in and slowly up like this. Or you can do close up or up like this better. Slowly borrow your left hand strength to pull your right hand up until this level. After this one done already, then the next one I want you to do, touch your hip. 1, up, 1, up, 1. Just remember, for the frozen shoulder, never put your hand at the back. This one will be light and very easy to attack the nerve. And also for the dislocation patient, this one easy to dislocate again or to chop your nerve. So you feel the pain. Remember, always two hand up, close, straight, up and down, up. Okay, so this exercise good. Let's say you have a